Don't ruin it.
Subscribe, you spaghetti noobs.
You serious?
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. We are trying our 6th week, I think, of smoking. This is our 3rd attempt at burgers. The smoker is getting ready. It's getting warmed up. This method we're trying again with the 325 preheat. We're almost there. We're at 321. And then we are going to do 10 minutes on each side. The original recipe calls for 30 minutes for well done, but we're going to do less than that. So we're going to get the burgers out here in just a few minutes. We did a 5:3 ratio of beef to pork. Last time we did all beef, although we're sticking with the same idea of stuffing it with bacon bits and cheese in the middle. We got 2080 beef, ground beef this time. We did not grind our own beef this time, unlike the last time. So we're almost ready, and we will get this going. Hopefully you can see that. It should be ready now. Alright, we are back. Here are the burgers. We learned from last time. We took off that thing, whatever that thing is called. Now what? We should freeze that. Or make it after.
Or put them on the top.
What about the bacon? Oh, that ain't gonna work.
You can always come back to these as these shrink. Or we can put these in the bacon.
No.
Why not?
Whatever's left, we can try that, but it won't work.
Yeah, we'll put 2 of those. And then the other 3 will be perfect here.
It probably won't even cook. But it's gonna fall.
Oh, no, we're not gonna.
1909 is when we started, but now I don't know what time it is. Alright, we'll see how they come out. Alright. I couldn't find the gloves in time. Get out of the way. Nothing to do. We needed gloves. Yeah, right. That's gross. Go blue. Alright, go. Alright, we'll leave those ones on. That's so cool. Look how dope that is. Alright, hold this. Alright, come from this side. Alright. That was awesome. Alright, well, let's check it. Wow. Probably needs a little longer. Or maybe flipping it. Let's flip them. I kind of want to use my hands.
Oh yeah.
How hot is this? Oh, that was a bad idea! Alright, that didn't work. That didn't work. That was way too hot. Alright guys, this is the third burger. The sandwich, the buns wouldn't hold it, so I had to devise another way to stuff this in my face. It turned out pretty well. I don't know if it was better than the last time, but it's pretty delicious. Well, that's pretty good. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.